Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter apps again at the very top and pick the 4 dots icon, which are in the right upper corner. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all app preferences for disabled apps and disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset. And basically that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your HUAWEI Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.